All right, you guys, I'm here to talk you through this problem. So there's two steps to this problem. It's being able to visualize what's happening in this problem, and then being able to write expressions to represent each side based off of the information that they give us. And then it's being able to solve. So it's telling us that the perimeter of a parallelogram ABCD. So all we know is that this is a parallelogram. So I don't know if any of these corners are 90 degrees. All I know is that opposite sides are parallel. And I also know they're congruent. They're saying that the perimeter is 30. So all sides added up is 30. Now it's saying that AD is 3 more than twice AB. So since we don't know the measure of AB, but AD is based off of the length of AB, we're going to go ahead and give that a variable. So AB is going to equal X. AD, because it's based off of AB, it's telling you what it measures in relation to the measurement of AB. We're going to use X to represent AB. So 3 centimeters more than is going to be plus 3. More than twice AB, so 2 times X, which would be AB. So again, 3 centimeters more than, so you have to add 3 centimeters more than twice AB, so more than 2 times AB. So this is going to be 2x plus 3. So obviously this is not drawn to scale, ladies and gentlemen. So remember, what we know about a parallelogram is opposite sides are equal. So if AD equals 2x plus 3, BC equals 2x plus 3, and if AB equals x, DC equals x. And in order to find the perimeter, we have to add all the sides up. So 2 times x, or 2 times, because there are 2 x values right here, and then 2 times 2x plus 3, all have to add up, and we know the perimeter is 30, so it all has to equal 30. So you simplify. Don't forget to multiply the 2 times both of these values inside. And then you solve. I know you from here you can solve for x. And then once you have your x values, you'll know what the length of, you can plug it back in to find the length of AB, which is going to be your x value, or plug it into this expression to find the length of AD.